This guys how to draw a rock. This is my screenshot. And this is my screenshot. And I will gonna draw this. I have many drawing like this, but I don't want to reveal because so many bashing my videos. Comment what's next I will gonna draw and screenshot what you want. I will gonna post and I will gonna screen record. Like this. And give me a number. Give me a number to the brushes. The 1, 2, 3. This is 1. This is all. This is at all. Give me a numbers 1 to 10. Okay, give me a number 1 to 10.